All right, Tom. So there may be a bit of down pressure. It's tough to know what they're going to do with this. Doesn't look great, of course. LTC or not LTC, LTO. We've bought down around here, about down around this area, just above the point of control. There may be some downside. I don't know what that's up at this point. Yeah, it's up 13%. It was up close to 30% at one point, and now we pulled back. Uh, so it's a little bit frustrating that we didn't just push straight through the red 200. We're getting this dip now. In theory, this should um, consolidate, or it might want to dip first to wipe out some of the longs before going higher. So it's really tricky to know. It depends really if Bitcoin's going to hold up or not. Bitcoin's seen a little bit of rejection. Now we have bounced. I'm looking on my other screen here, and we've bounced 25% in Bitcoin. So there may be a little bit of rejection off this sort of area. So, you know, you need a break-even stop at least down and around here. I'm not sure where you bought it actually, but um, that's where I was buying it, down here somewhere. So I would say break-even stop. If you want to be extremely conservative, take profits and then try and buy lower if you don't mind holding with a break-even stop. Or the other option, you could take 50% profits and then have a break-even stop. But in theory, this apex, when it's done sorting itself out, how deep is this correction going to be? This apex should break to the upside then. Look at this. Look at this gap here in the VPVR. There's not much in here. So when we do start to move, you can expect prices to hit this sort of area. Um, if we break up, we can expect prices to hit this sort of area. So we just don't want Bitcoin to kind of ruin our fun with it, so to speak. You can see that this pivot, the support, the resistance here, and also VPVR resistance. So, if we can consolidate here properly, there is that chance that we can break up to here. Um, the tricky part is how much of a dip are we going to get? That's a 40% bounce there, by the way. The tricky part is how much of a dip are we going to get before we push higher. And last thing here, we really want to see this point of control holding. We do want price to be breaking below this.